Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Happy Angel Reading. And today guidance po is the moment you see that this message is for you. And you need to ask yourself if you're letting your fears stopping you, no? So let's see the message here. Are you experiencing a mountain of fear right now? And are you stalling, freezing, or giving up? So the juicy secret is that you are the boss of your fear. You are unstoppable. But it's up to you to see that by taking an action. So today's soul's action, she might want to be brave and do it scared. Choose one fear and move through it. You are in need of heroes so that who you will become. So parang this is talking about you na master your fear and do not let the spirit stop you to achieving something, no? And you need to understand your fear. So as you could see that the fear is natural response, no? Fear is an let's say this is a evolutionary mechanism designed to protect us from danger. But it's an alarm system, no? The problem is that in the modern life, our brain often triggers in its alarm for non-life threatening situations, no? For instance, if you're going on a public speaking or starting a new business, parang asking someone out. And as you could see, this is also, you need to understand also the distinction between the real and perceived danger. There's a key insight, no? To learn to differentiate between genuine physical danger and a perceived psychological danger. And you might want to be, for inside the physical danger, it could be a car speeding towards you. And perceive some psychological danger, the fear of being judged or failing. So most of what hold us back falls into the secondary category, no? And the feelings and versus the fact, you need to consider that when dealing with your fear. You can feel afraid without being an actual danger. So the feeling of fear is not always an accurate indicator of reality. So why will let fear stop us? So the comfort zone also, and the fear of failure and the fear of judgment. So the fear keeps us in our comfort zone. Well, it's not always comfortable. It's a familiar and predictable. Stepping outside of it is require facing the unknown, which is the primary source of fear. So the fear of judgment, no? Sometimes we are in a social creatures and we care what other things. That fear is being judged, ridiculed, or rejected. This can be prevented us from pursuing our dreams or expressing our authentic selves. Ayan, so I hope you get some clarity about mastering your fear here, no? So do not let the fear stop you.